This is a free $5,000 Profem Challenge account that you can get for free. And I'll be showing you how you can actually get it for free and how you can be able to withdraw your money from it. Alright, all you have to do is to watch this video to the very end. Now, guys, if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, I want you to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more free offer and more money making update so that you won't miss out on how to make money. But before we start, I would like to congratulate Indian people on their Independence Day. Congratulations to you, India. So now, without wasting too much of our time, the first thing you have to do in order for you to get this free $5,000 Profem Challenge account is for you to go to the description of this video and the comment section. Click on the link that you find there and you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Right here on the screen is my Telegram channel. As you can see, there are a lot of people in my Telegram channel, and I have been dropping no deposit bonuses, free Profem accounts, and other money making updates for my people. And I always tell them before dropping any update so that they can be fully prepared and be the first person to get it. So if you know that you don't want to miss out on the free updates that I've been dropping, all you have to do is to subscribe. And as you can see, once you're done subscribing, you are going to see a link like this, just like this, a link to be able to claim, to be able to go to the broker where you'll be getting your free $5,000 account. So now, once you've clicked on the link, this is where you'll be taken to, right here on the screen. As you can see, hold on. So this is where you'll be taken to, and you have to pay full attention in this video so that you won't miss your chance on getting this free $5,000 Profem Challenge account. As you can see, the first thing you have to do is to enter your name, enter your last name, enter your country of residence, enter your password, and one thing, make sure you enter your password and make sure the password you enter are the same. Enter your current email account so that you can receive a verification code. So once you're done, you'll be signed up automatically. Now, after you're done signing up, the next thing for you to do is for you to sign in. As for me, I have already signed up. So I'm going to click on sign in right here. So once you've clicked on sign in, just click on this and enter your password and your email. And after that, you'll be signed in automatically. So let's hold on. This account, you can just get it in a very simple way by watching this video. So once you've got into an interface like this, all you have to do is to click on this storyline like this. Click on this storyline. Once you've clicked on it, come to Reward Center. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are thinking that some accounts like this whereby you have to use the point to purchase it are not real, or maybe they are hard to do. Now, this is the 5K Profem Challenge account is the only account that is here, and I personally will be showing you how you can do it, the best way to do it, and how you can get it. All right, so hold on and let me show you. So as you can see right here on the screen, you're going to be using a point to purchase the account. But before we do that, let me show you where the account is. In order for you to see the account, go to the Reward Center right here. So once you click on reward, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. As you can see, there are some good offer here. This is 50% off discount. This is 30% off. You can choose to go for them if you want to purchase the account. But if you don't want to purchase the account, if you are looking for a free $5,000 Profem Challenge account, as you can see, this is it right here, and the point needed is 100 points. Now, to be able to get this 100 point is actually simple, and I'm going to be showing you without any hesitation and without any holding back. So let's go back to this place. Make sure you click on tax. So click on tax. So immediately you click on tax, this is where you'll be taken to. Now, as you can see, only one task can give you 50 points. Now, let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is to make a video, post your video of testimonial on social media. You can just make a video and thank this particular platform, which is called OneFunded. You can just make a physical video, show your face, and say thank you so much, OneFunded, for being legit and all of that. So you can just say it and you can tell them thank you for giving us a payout. And after you've made it, just post it on social media. Take a screenshot that you've posted it and upload it right here. Upload it right here. So immediately you've uploaded it, you will earn 50 points. So Now that you've earned 50 points, do not forget that it remains 50 points for us to go. Now, many of you might be saying that the points are not correct. So 50 plus 5 right here, follow them on Twitter. That's 55, and upload it and send in the screenshot. So if you scroll down now, this is another 15. This is another 15. That's going to be 70. 55 plus 15, that's 70 points, and we need 100 points, remember. So complete your first challenge. This is it. That's 15. If you scroll down again, you'll earn 5. That's 75, as you can see. That's 75, and you will earn 30 right here. That's 105. That is 105 by posting your certificate on Discord. You can just find the certificate to post on Discord, and you can upload the screenshot. As you can see, follow them on PropMash. Just follow them on PropMash. You can just go to your Chrome and search for PropMatch, or you can click on the link. All right, so once you follow them on PropMatch, as you can see, there are a lot of tasks that you have to do that can actually give you 100 points. This is it right here on the screen. You will see them, and if you are facing any difficult while doing them, you can just go and ask ChatGPT to help you out. So once you are done, you'll see your total point right here. It is very simple. You'll see your total point right here on the screen. So immediately you see your total point, just click on rewards and come to this place. Remember, this is the only account right here. This is the only account. All you have to do is to click on claim reward, and immediately you click on claim reward, you will be taken to where you are going to be seeing your account right here on your own page. You see your account right here, and you'll see your account details. Now, before you end this video, let me show you some other things that you can actually get every single month. They are offering a competition account with huge amount of prizes. So come down to this place and click on competition. So immediately you click on competition. As you can see, this is the upcoming one. The registration is already full. This is the upcoming one. They'll be giving $200,000, $100,000, $50,000 prices. As you can see, this is it, and 1,000 traders are in. You can check for their rules. You can check for their rules right here. You can check for their rules. So I'm making this video so that you guys can be able to participate next time. So these are their rules of distribution. So if you are interested, you can just participate some other time. All right, 16 days. It ends in 16 days. So now make sure you join next time. And also how to actually receive a payout. Just click on this up and click on payout. So immediately you click on payout, this is where you'll be taken to. This is where you'll be taken to. You see the transaction history right here. You see the transaction history, but I must tell you, you have to verify your KYC in order for you to be able to withdraw, because someone has told me that I should make a video on how to withdraw. So make sure you verify your KYC, enter your original name, your address, your zip code, and make sure everything is complete, and verify them. And after it is being verified, you can come to your payout and try to withdraw your money, or you can come to their customer care right here. You can come to them. Sorry. You can come to their customer care and ask them for payout. And just come and tell them, I have completed the challenge account and I want to withdraw my money. And they will tell you what you are to do. Thank you guys for watching this video. If there is any other thing that you might want to know, I'm going to send it to you in my Telegram channel. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a blessed day. Very soon I will be dropping a free $15 no deposit bonus. If you are interested, go to my Telegram channel and drop your reaction, and I will drop it for you guys very soon. Thank you guys.